Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add payment icon under add to cart button on Shopify. So you can see this is a payment icon here and I want to add under add to cart icon. So how I can do this? So the best thing is that, so let's say I will just refresh this page here. So okay, I will show you the starting from here. Just go to the online store, click on here, right? Or you can just go to, the best thing is that let's open our editor. Now once you open your editor here, okay, then you can see here in the payment, right, in the footer section, but I want to add under the add to cart. On the middle top you have to go there. Now just go to the product section, right? So it doesn't matter whichever product you can choose if you have more than one product here. So this is one of the product. So once you're here, right click on it, and then you have to just go and click on view page source. Now once you click on here, it will be open something like this, right? But we don't have to open this one. So you can just come to your normal view page here, right click on it, then we will just go to the inspect. Now once you go here, let me just make it a little bit zoomer. Automatically you will find this here, this path is already highlighted, right? So yeah, let me just, okay. Now once you will see this, okay, let me just make it zoom it more better here. Now you can see there's a three dots here. Now what you have to do, you have to copy this, right? Now you will get this option of copy word, but here we will just copy elements, right? Once you do this, so make sure you just take your mouse here, then right click it, then just go to inspect, and you will see this kind of information here. Now you can just right click on it and you can just copy the element, right? Now we have come to the editor. Now once you come to the editor, make sure your product page is on here. Just like here you can see. Now on the template section, go and just go and click on add block. And once you go and click on add block, or let's say first click on add to cart here, then you will get it here. Where is add to cart buy button? Okay, so it is here, right? So here you have to just go and click on add block, then custom liquid, right? Now once you click on the custom liquid, it will open up. So let's click here. Now we will paste the code which we just copied. There's a one more thing, guys. If some of you might face this error, because this is the most important part here, so let me just zoom this up. Right click on it, make sure it doesn't matter if you just click on the center or anywhere, and go to the inspect. Now you will see this option. It will look like something like this, right? There's a class list payment and everything. So you have to find this section, ul class, and after that you will see this line. It means this is a code under this. Now here you have to copy this element. And for those who don't know what is ul means unordered list, right? So you can just make sure this part is highlighted, and you will see when I take my mouse here, this whole part will get highlighted, right? So let me show you once again. Now control plus C or command plus C if you have iOS. Now let's go back here. Now we will paste it up here. Now it will look like this. Okay, now as you can see here, it's loading and it appeared here. So in this way you have to do this. It's really easy, and you can see this is a custom liquid here, and we have shown here, right? So you can just do it anywhere. So in this way you can just add, then you have to just go and click on save. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.